Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to quickly teach you how to create your TestNow account. So as you can see, I have opened the app, and here let me also get the VPN is still connected. So I just use continue with Google. As you guys know, that's what I always use. So now I'm just going to select the new Gmail I created after connecting it. Wait for it to load. Do not change location. So here I'm going to go with Canada. As you can see, the Canada stuff. Yeah, I just select free. Here we go. So you can see how easy it is when you even use Canada. It's easier with Canada. No that capture everything. It's just you going straight forward. Easier. So I will recommend you to you use Canada. You get Canada number when registering your Tesla if it is giving you issue. So that's it for this. Also now we are just going to I'm just trying to log in my Tesla again. TALKATONE, sorry, in this video as well to keep you guys updated. Note that you have to update your there is new update now in TALKATONE. So you have to update if you are here to. So just trying to sign in. So just wait for it to load. And let's try to complete this. Yeah, you can see. I'm just going to get the OTP, and that's all for this. I believe. So guys, for you to be, I just noticed something actually today. For you to get pass and create the test now easily, you go for numbers of Canada number. They don't ask for those what is it called? That cage for you to long press anything. As you can see, I just create it smoothly without any of those things for you to do. So it's easy to do it when you just get when you select or look for Canada number. It's easy to create. So that's it for this video, and you can also see I was able to log in with TalkAtone with Android, which was having issue then. I believe if you are new, you should try get a Mysterium. I will try and get a group so you guys can easily have access to the Mysterium for you guys to log in. And as you can see here, it's Wednesday 12th of November, which I read this video and rating for you guys. So that's it for today.